Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I have been on the hunt for some exercise equipment that I can add to my workout routine, and I came across this yoga ball. This is the Galsports large. It's in blue, and I really like this because it comes with a pump. It's super easy to fill up. It took me just a couple of minutes. I also really like the materials. So this is a very soft, rubbery material, and between kids and dogs, it has not popped. It doesn't have holes, nothing like that. It's really durable, but it's also really comfortable. It's very soft. It doesn't stick or doesn't also have debris stick to it. So I would highly recommend this. I'm able to do a lot of different exercises with this ball, and it is the large size, but it's still compact enough that I can just put it away in my closet when I am done with it. So if you're looking for a ball that is going to be durable and you're going to be able to use a lot, then I would highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.